Hello everyone, I'm Harvey from the Quilted Cow. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Helpful Heifer Picnic Pocket. Before we begin, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Cutters, and Mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabric we'll be using today. Let's get started.
Quiet on set, we are rolling.
The Helpful Heifer Picnic Pocket is a very beginner-friendly pattern, and it's fun to make. Patterns and kits are available on our website, thequiltedcow.com. The Helpful Heifer kits come with the free pattern and the fabric you need to stitch and sew. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to cut two 11.5-inch squares and two 8.5-inch squares from the main fabric, the lining fabric, and the fusible batting. Once that is done, we're going to apply the fusible batting to the main fabric. Once this is completed, we're going to lay our lining fabric on top of our main fabric. You'll want to stitch around all sides, leaving a 3-inch opening at the bottom for turning. As a reminder to stop, I usually put 2 pins at my stopping point. Now that we've completed this step, we're going to clip our corners. And now that we've done that, we're going to turn our project right sides out. Using a stiletto helps make these corners really come out nicely. Next, we're going to press this well. We're going to fold in our opening, and then we're going to top stitch all the way around. These steps will need to be completed for each of the squares. I like to press the opening to give it a crisp look and make it easier to stitch. Now we'll go to the machine and top stitch all the way around. Now that we have finished top stitching this square, we'll complete the other square and then go on with our project. Now that both squares have been top stitched, we're going to mark 2.5 inches up from each corner. They're on the right and left. I'm using a friction pin to do that. And now we're just going to fold the top corner down to meet those marks. You can pin or clip this down to hold it securely. And we're going to just top stitch across the fold. Come on and let's sew. Now that we've top stitched the fold, we're going to place the 2 squares with the lining together. Pin or clip to secure. This will make sure your edges are even. Now we're just going to top stitch all the way around. So we'll go to the machine. We've top stitched all the way around, and to add a decorative point, we can always add a button on the point. And here you have it, the Helpful Heifer Picnic Pocket. Won't this be a cute addition to any picnic or party table? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see all of our videos. Remember to check out our website, thequiltedcow.com, for kits and patterns. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Rotary Cutters, and Mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.